Did you know that something as simple as the food you eat can be the key to boosting your immune system? You don't need fancy supplements or gym memberships to stay healthy. The secret might just be in your kitchen right now, waiting to strengthen your body's defenses. In today's video, we'll explore 8 everyday foods that can help support your immune system naturally. These foods are packed with the essential nutrients your body needs to stay strong and fight off illness. Whether you're looking to boost your immune health or simply eat more nutrient-rich meals, let's dive in to find out how easy it is to use food as a tool to keep you feeling your best. 1. Citrus fruits. You've probably heard that citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are great for your immune system. That's because they are packed with vitamin C, a nutrient known to help increase the production of white blood cells, your body's first line of defense against infections. When you eat foods rich in vitamin C, you're not just giving your immune system a boost, you're also helping it to respond faster and more effectively to harmful invaders. But the benefits don't stop there. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant, meaning it helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. This makes citrus fruits a double win for supporting your immune health and overall wellness. They're easy to add to your daily routine. Start your day with a glass of fresh orange juice. Add some lemon to your water or snack on a grapefruit. Their refreshing taste and immune-boosting power make them a perfect way to support your health every day. 2. Red bell peppers. Did you know that red bell peppers contain nearly 3 times as much vitamin C as an orange, gram for gram? This makes them one of the best sources of this immune-boosting vitamin. But that's not all. Red bell peppers are also packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is vital for keeping your skin and eyes healthy, and it also supports the function of your immune system. This makes red bell peppers a must-have food for both immunity and overall health. Adding red bell peppers to your meals is easy. You can enjoy them raw as a crunchy snack, slice them into salads, or cook them into stir-fries and soups. This colorful veggie is not only a great addition to your diet, but also a powerful source of antioxidants that help protect your body from free radicals. Their rich flavor and vibrant color make them a delicious, nutrient-packed option for maintaining a strong immune system throughout the year. 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is a true super green when it comes to supporting your immune system. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as fiber and a variety of antioxidants that help protect your cells. These nutrients work together to boost your immune response and help your body fight off infections. To get the most out of your broccoli, it's best to cook it as little as possible. Light steaming or eating it raw preserves its vitamins and antioxidants, ensuring you get the full immune-boosting benefits. Not only is broccoli great for your immune health, but it's also a versatile and easy addition to your meals. You could toss it in a salad, steam it as a side dish, or even blend it into soups. If you're looking for a simple, nutrient-dense food that packs a punch, broccoli should definitely be on your list. Its ability to enhance immune function while providing essential nutrients makes it one of the most powerful foods for overall wellness. 4. Garlic. For centuries, garlic has been a staple in kitchens worldwide, known for its powerful health benefits. What makes garlic so special is its high concentration of sulfur compounds, especially allicin. These compounds help stimulate your immune system's natural killer cells, which are key in fighting off infections. Garlic also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce swelling and inflammation in the body, 2 factors that can negatively impact immune function. Plus, garlic has been shown to help reduce the duration of colds and flu. You don't need to eat a whole bulb to experience the benefits of garlic. Even adding a small amount to your cooking can provide a natural immune boost. Whether you toss it into a stir-fry, roast it with vegetables, or enjoy it in a garlic-based sauce, it's an easy way to enhance the flavor of your meals while supporting your body's defenses. Garlic is an inexpensive, accessible food that offers numerous health benefits, especially for those looking to stay strong during cold and flu season. 5. Ginger. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it another powerful food for supporting your immune system. The active compound in ginger, called gingerol, has been shown to reduce inflammation, relieve sore throats, and even ease other inflammatory conditions. Not only does ginger help fight inflammation, but it also has mild analgesic, pain-relieving effects, which can make you feel better when you're under the weather. Incorporating ginger into your diet is easy. You can add it to smoothies, tea, or soups, or simply enjoy it in small amounts in a stir-fry. A warm cup of ginger tea is particularly soothing during colder months and can help support your immune system when you need it most. This versatile root is a great addition to your kitchen and a natural way to fight inflammation, boost digestion, and promote better overall health. 6. Spinach. Spinach contains nutrients that support your immune system, including vitamin C, numerous antioxidants, and beta-carotene. This leafy green is especially beneficial for your immune health because it's rich in folate, which helps produce new cells and support your immune system. Like broccoli, spinach retains its nutrients better when it's cooked minimally. Light steaming or even eating it raw in salads helps preserve its immune-boosting power. Spinach is also incredibly versatile. You can add it to smoothies, toss it into a salad, or sauté it with garlic for a tasty and nutrient-packed side dish. Whether you enjoy it fresh or cooked, spinach is an easy and delicious way to keep your immune system strong and ready to fight off infections. Its combination of vitamins and antioxidants makes spinach a simple yet highly effective food for maintaining overall health. 7. Yogurt. When it comes to supporting gut health and boosting immunity, yogurt is a top choice. Look for yogurt that contains live and active cultures, which helps stimulate the immune system by supporting the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut. A healthy gut is crucial for maintaining a strong immune response, as much of the immune system is housed in your digestive tract. Yogurt is also a great source of vitamin D, especially if you choose fortified varieties, which are essential for regulating immune function. Greek yogurt is particularly beneficial because it has a higher protein content, which can also help boost your immune system's efficiency. Enjoy it as a snack with some fresh fruit, or use it as a base for smoothies. No matter how you enjoy it, yogurt is a tasty and beneficial way to support your immune system from the inside out. Including yogurt in your daily diet is an easy way to strengthen your immune health, especially when paired with a healthy, balanced diet. 8. Almonds. While vitamin C often takes the spotlight, vitamin E is equally important for immune health. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, a fat-soluble antioxidant that is crucial for immune function. Just a small handful of almonds, about half a cup, provides nearly 100% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant helps protect your cells from damage and supports the production of immune cells. In addition to vitamin E, almonds are a great source of healthy fats and protein, making them a satisfying and nutrient-dense snack. Whether you enjoy them raw, roasted, or as almond butter, almonds are an easy way to add immune-boosting nutrition to your diet. Keep a small portion in your bag or desk for a quick snack that supports your immune system and helps you feel energized throughout the day. Almonds are not only good for your immune system, but also support heart and skin health and provide long-lasting energy. So, there you have it. 8 everyday foods that provide essential support for your immune system. By adding these simple, nutritious foods to your meals, you can help strengthen your body's defenses and stay healthy year-round. Remember, it's not about one magic food. It's about consistently eating a variety of nutrient-rich options that work together to support your health. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on healthy eating and wellness. Drop a comment below telling us which immune-boosting food is your favorite, and I'll see you in the next video.